Do you have to pee? Let me put that on and see. Husband talk. Tell me pee. You have to pee? You have to pee? You have to pee? You have to pee?
Do you guys want to play with her? I can be
Do
doing
ya?
it now.
Do ya? Well, do ya?
I just don't want her that close to me.